Various settings can be configured by selecting the cog on the top right of the screen. You can choose your language, your cloud account, your theme, such as sport, which changes some of the backgrounds to sports themed. You can also customize your Eyes on Me message. From here, Eyes on Me can be activated from the floating toolbar by selecting the eye. The student device will display the custom message from the Eyes on Me settings.